You can open the water source command from the irrigation menu or by clicking on the toolbar icon. On the water source dialog box, click on the Place New Water Source button. A water source symbol will appear on your mouse cursor. Don't worry if this is not the symbol you want to use to represent the water source. You'll have the ability to change the symbol once it appears on the design. Click one time to set the location of the water source symbol on the design screen. Rotate the symbol to the desired angle and click a second time to complete the placement process and return to the water source dialog box. Enter a description for the water source in the description text box. To change the symbol on the drawing that represents the water source, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the symbol label to view the available symbol choices. Click one time on the symbol to assign to the selected water source. To choose a color, click on a predefined color of your choice, click somewhere inside the color box, or move the slider bar to select the color assignment. You may also enter the red, green, and blue values in the associated text boxes. Once you've determined the color, click on the OK button to accept the color assignment. To insert a water meter into the design, select Meter from the Water Source Type drop-down menu. In the water meter size location, click on the down arrow and select the meter size. Enter the static pressure available at the water meter in the static pressure text box. If feet is selected as the units of measurement, enter the pressure in PSI. If meters is selected as the unit of measurement, enter the pressure in bars. In the elevation text box, enter the elevation at the water meter location. During the hydraulic calculations, the software will compare this elevation assignment to the elevation assignment of other system components and determine a gain or loss in design pressure. Enter the maximum allowable velocity through the service line in the maximum service line velocity text box. If feet is selected as the units of measurement, enter the velocity in feet per second. If meters is selected as the unit of measurement, enter the velocity in meters per second. In the pipe category drop-down menu, select a pipe category for the service line from the listing by clicking on the selection with the left mouse button. The service line refers to the pipe connecting the city main to the water meter. Once a category of pipe is chosen, select the pipe size from the pipe size drop-down. Enter the length of the service line in the length text box. Enter the length in either feet or meters, depending on the units of measurement. The maximum recommended flow of water through the water meter and the available working pressure at the water meter will be displayed in the dialog box. If necessary, you may change the maximum recommended flow of water through the water meter. To override the recommended flow, click on the Override Recommended Flow box with the left mouse button until a check mark appears in the box. Now enter a new flow in the Maximum Recommended Flow text box. Click on the Insert Water Source Data button to place the water meter information on the design screen. Adjust any of the font settings as necessary and click on the Place Text button. Set one point on the design screen for the bottom left corner of the text. Click on the Close button to exit the dialog box. And you must save your drawing after placing a water meter symbol to retain the water source information. To delete a water source, simply erase the symbol from the drawing screen.